Welcome back to course number 7, Basics of Investing. In this lecture, we'll dive into the concepts of interest and compounding. These are the engines that drive your money to grow, and understanding them is essential for making smart financial decisions. Interest is the cost of borrowing money or the reward for saving and investing it. When you borrow money, you pay interest to the lender. When you save or invest, you earn interest as a return. Interest can be simple or compound, and the difference between the two is critical. Simple interest is calculated only on the original amount of money, also called the principal. For example, if you invest $1,000 at 5% simple interest for 3 years, you earn $50 each year for a total of $150. The principal never changes in simple interest calculations. Compound interest is much more powerful. It means you earn interest not only on the original amount, but also on the interest that has already been added. Over time, this creates exponential growth. Compound interest is often called interest on interest. Let's look at an example. If you invest $1,000 at 5% compound interest, after the first year, you earn $50. In the second year, you earn interest not just on $1,000, but on $1,050, which means your interest is $52.50. Over 10 years, your money grows to over $1,600, showing how powerful compounding is. A quick way to estimate how long it takes for money to double is the rule of 72. Divide 72 by the interest rate. For example, at a 6% return, your money doubles in about 12 years. At 12%, it doubles in just 6 years. This rule highlights how higher returns accelerate growth. How often interest compounds also matters. Interest can compound annually, quarterly, monthly, or even daily. The more frequently it compounds, the faster your money grows. This is why many savings accounts and investments specify the compounding period. Compounding is not just for savings accounts, it applies to investments too. Reinvesting dividends from stocks or mutual funds allows you to compound returns. Over decades, compounding transforms even small, regular investments into significant wealth. Consider a student named Alex who starts investing $50 a month at age 20 with an average return of 7%. By age 60, Alex has invested $24,000, but the account grows to over $120,000 thanks to compounding. The earlier you start, the more time compounding has to work its magic. Compounding can work against you too. Credit card debt compounds interest on unpaid balances, causing debt to grow quickly. That's why paying off high-interest debt is so important. It prevents compounding from trapping you in a cycle of growing debt. To summarize, interest and compounding are at the heart of financial growth. Simple interest grows steadily, but compound interest accelerates growth over time. Start saving and investing early, reinvest your returns, and avoid high-interest debt. By harnessing the power of compounding, you can build long-term financial security. This concludes our course number 7, Basics of Investing. See you at our next course.